Welcome to the online classes of Deepal School Josipur. Today we will read about MSc of class 6. So this is your book Motto Value Education. So all of you come to page 7. This is your second lesson. This moral lesson is about concentration. So this story is about Ajay. Okay, a small boy who is reading in school, and in the beginning of the story he has no concentration in studying mathematics, but later with the help of his elder sister, he make it possible to concentrate on the subject of mathematics. So let us see. Ajay, which books do you have to take tomorrow for the mathematics class? Asked his mother. So in the first very scene, his mother is asking to Ajay that which book he will have to take tomorrow for the mathematics class to school. And here, as a reply, Ajay is saying, I think the activity book. And Ajay is saying that he thinks the activity book. Here he is not sure about the activity book. Why? Because he did not listen to his teacher, that what book his teacher has told him to bring the next day, whether the main book or activity book. Means he has no concentration in his study. That is why he is saying, I think the activity book. So here mother says, you think? What do you mean by you think? His mother said, getting angry. So being angry, her mother said, what do you mean by thinking? By thinking, did you not listen to your teacher when she was giving instruction in class? So here mother questioned him again, that did you not listen to your teacher when he was giving instruction in class, when he told about the book which you have to take the next day? Ajay had indeed not been listening to his teacher. So here in this situation we are sure that Ajay did not listen to his teacher in the class on about the mathematics and about what book will he take the next day to class. He was just not interested in the subject mathematics. He found it very difficult and very boring. Why? So here is the reason given, because he is not interested in mathematics at all. Who? Ajay is not interested in mathematics at all because he always found it difficult and very boring. So according to Ajay, mathematics is boring and he is not interested in it. That is why. So let us see. Oh my God, said his mother, looking at the work he had done in his maths notebook. The teacher had given him incomplete note on each page. So when his mother again started to check the mathematics copy or notebook, he found that in each of the pages, incomplete what is called a remark was given, and the remark was incomplete, said his mother, exasperated. So in this way his mother getting angry, and exasperated means she was getting angry, and in angrily she is saying that in each of the pages incomplete what is called remark was given. When will you learn to concentrate? Now mother is asking, when will you learn to concentrate about the subject? Ajay's elder sister was at home and could not but help overhear the conversation between mother and teacher. So in another room, Ajay's sister was there, and she was overhearing the conversation between mother and Ajay. Though she did not want to listen this conversation, but she was overhearing. Overhearing means to listen something which is not meant for our ears, something which we do not want to listen, but forcefully it is coming to our ears. That is called overhear. So in this way, Ajay's sister was overhearing the conversation between the mother and son. When Ajay left the room, she went up to her and said, "Ma, Ajay is not concentrating on subject as he is not interested in it." So when Ajay left the room, his sister came to his mother and told that, "Mother, Ajay is not concentrating on the subject because he is not interested in it." "What not interested? He goes to the best school in the city, Dia," said her mother. So mother said that, "Dia, Ajay is going to the best school in the city, but why he is not interested?" So here Dia is replying again, "Still, Ma, remember how I loved mathematics because I understood what the teacher taught." So here Dia is saying that same situation she had faced in the time when she was in class, in the same class like Ajay, and she is saying that how mathematics was difficult for Dia also, and but when the teacher made her understood about the subject, how she loved mathematics. So in this way I listened to her with concentration. Maybe that is not the case with Ajay and he is giving up. So here Dia is saying that Dia was listened with concentration to her teachers. That is why she found the mathematics very good and easy for her to learn. But in this case, in the case of his brother Ajay, maybe that Ajay is not concentrating or listening carefully to his teachers. That is why this mathematics subject is becoming very hard or uneasy for Ajay. So if that is the case, Dia, you have a break from your college, you must help your brother, dear, develop interest in him for subject so that he concentrates and does his work properly. So here Dia's mother is saying that, Dia, you have a college, what is called break from your college, means she is in holidays, on holidays. The as the holidays are going on, Dia has lot of time, so her mother instructed her to help her brother Ajay in the study of mathematics. Dia got about doing as her mother said. She took out the abacus that had helped her practice mental maths when she was in school like Ajay. So now she brings out one instrument. She recalled all the activities that her maths teacher had used with them and used them on Ajay. So what are the what is called methods and the instructions and the way she was taught by her teachers? She used all these methods and techniques on Ajay to make him study or make him love mathematics. So let us see finally what happens. She spoke clearly and slowly to Ajay but about theorems. Theorems means mathematics, and waited for him to grasp them. So all the techniques used by her teachers are now being used by Dia on Ajay. So when Dia spoke clearly and slowly to Ajay about theorems and waited for uh, Ajay to grasp them or to achieve them. Slowly, what happened? Slowly and steadily, Ajay began to find maths simpler and started to show interest in the subject. So, in this way, when Dia helped her brother for understanding the mathematics or theorems, she in few days or slowly and steadily, what happened? Math becomes simpler, and Ajay began to show interest in the subject. So he learned the importance of concentration. Now when Ajay uh, felt or found mathematics easy, he understood about why mathematics become easy for him, and he shows his concentration in mathematics, his interest in mathematics. He did not run to the door to see who had come or to rush to the pickup phone. Means he now Ajay is getting concentrated on mathematics subject. Okay, he was able to focus his attention on the task at hand. Whatever task is given to him, he only focus on the task which is given to him. He completed his work in time and never did his mother have to say him concentrate? Ajay, concentrate on what your teachers say. So now mother is not needed to be angry on Ajay, because Ajay had learned how to concentrate on mathematics on a particular subject, and he found mathematics very easy. So in this way Ajay became successful in concentrating on mathematics. Okay, so in the last of the chapter, what is happening? Thank you dear sister, Ajay said to Dia when she was leaving for hostel. So it means in the whole holiday period, in the whole holiday period, Dia trained Ajay to study mathematics, and in this time period Ajay found mathematics very easy and he started concentrating on it. That is why Ajay is saying thank you dear sister when after the holidays her sister is going for the hostel, going to the hostel. Ajay is saying thank you dear sister. So this much for today. In the next class we will check about the question answer. Thank you.